Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, and here on the bench is an exciting rig that everyone is talking about. This is the Camo X4 rock racing buggy. Now today we're going to show you some of the hop-up parts that are available for it, specifically the upper and lower aluminum links. These are super easy to install, so let's get started. Start off by removing the body, followed by the rear wheels. We're going to switch out the upper links first. To do so, remove the screw that holds the links in the rear and in the front using a 2mm hex driver. After the link retaining screws are removed, you'll want to remove one link at a time and match it up to your new links. Notice there's an angle on the link. You want to make sure that the new link goes back in the same position. Once the new links are back in position, secure them with the factory hardware. Next, we're going to swap out the lower links. Start by removing the screw that retains the shock to the lower arm. You'll need your box wrench and a 2mm hex driver to remove the screw. Now you'll want to remove the rear link retaining screws. It may be easier to hold the M3 lock nut with a pair of long nose pliers while unscrewing the screw with the 2mm hex driver. Unscrew the front link retaining screw. And now you can remove one lower link. Match it up with the new aluminum link. And install the new lower links in the reverse order as you took them apart. The rear of our camo is back together and ready for some more action. Links to the products mentioned in this video today are in the description below. While you're there, please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you back here soon for another Redcat Racing how-to video.